Happy Monday, traders. What you're witnessing in front of you proprietary alpha Fibonacci level. What you're witnessing in front of you is a stunning reminder of predictive power of alpha Fibonacci trading system. This is ultimate trend inception, identified days in advance. This is stunning bullish rally from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone that played out despite horrific event between Iran and US. How many points did Dow rally? 800 points. Where did Dow sold off from? Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, as expected from brand new historical highs. What are we witnessing right now? Critical support identified well before market open, staging bullish pullback. So if I would convert this chart right now to 1, what do you see? We expected this bullish pullback. Is trader pulling a trigger randomly? Absolutely not. Intelligent trader knows what to pay attention to, what to expect. Intelligent trader waiting for synchronicity. Very powerful word. Ideally, we were hoping for a lower level. But if buyers step in with vengeance already, intelligent trader taking advantage of this. Agree? And that's your range this morning. Critical support and critical resistance. Bullish weakness in a play, traders. Intelligent trader knows this. Intelligent trader knows what separates weakness from power. Intelligent trader never ever ever shorts near alpha Fibonacci support. So this is a picture perfect example of bullish weakness in front of you. Market bouncing from support with meaningless bullish action. So this bullish bounce is worthless, it's meaningless. This is how trader tested to the core every single time. And if market will be stuck in brutal chop, in worthless bullish weakness, intelligent trader would never ever ever touch this. So this is what separates intelligent trader from trigger happy cowboy moments like this. This is Dow at the open, testing trader to the core for power versus weakness. Intelligent trader utilizes this chart to separate power from weakness. Critical moment on Dow. This would be ideal. This level is what we need. Bullish weakness across the board. Meaningless price action. And that's how intelligent trader stays out of trouble, separating bullish power from bullish weakness. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade, all identified in advance by crucial day trading chart, but applies to any chart you choose to trade. This is 5 traders. We've been stuck in bullish weakness. We would like to see this, where buyers stepped in from for the last week, from crucial alpha Fibonacci support. Agree? And that would be a beautiful thing, but this support not the place to short. How stunning! Price reminding you time and time again. If you know where alpha Fibonacci levels are, you never short near the support. Dow keep bouncing in pain for 20 points back and forth. And if I convert this chart to 3, what do you see? It's absolutely brutal and stunning reminder. In day trading, you're operating as a sniper. Mornings like this will test you to the core. Nothing but pain. Intelligent trader wants power, not weakness. And again, if I go back to 1, take a look at this. What an open. Stunning reminder of power of alpha Fibonacci support. So buyers start stepping in with power and scanner lighting up multiple alerts. Intelligent trader would take advantage of that, of the stunning, powerful bullish ride. Stop 28793, long Dow, bringing up targets. Are you witnessing synchronicity in the markets? Yes or no? Pretty please do tell me. How many bullish trades are available? Massive number. Yes? So this is a stunning trade in front of you right now. Market flying from alpha Fibonacci support. So if you're ready to trade as a sniper, if you understand the importance of this target in front of you, you are taking profits off the table and trading carefully. This is critical moment. And this is the reason traders love Dow. You do not need many trades, you only need one. How many points did Dow just rally? Multiple alerts. When market synchronicity is present, intelligent trader taking advantage of this trade. So if you have taking 20-30 points on Dow, if you're trading multiple lot size, your trading day is over. How long did it last? Only a few minutes. And that's the power of the software, and that's the power of the method. Simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. Trail is placed in perfect place, correct? What else is rallying traders? S&P. Multiple alerts on S&P as well. You do not need many trades. What you need is precision and sniper's mentality every single day. So again, we're running a trade on Dow as we're discussing with students. S&P in very different place, traders. I'm warning you. So all these signals on S&P versus Dow are very different. Do you understand that? Very important moment. Big difference between two trades on S&P versus Dow. So again, intelligent trader exits Dow at this place. I just trail very closely. And this is a difference if you're looking on S&P hourly and if you're looking on this trade on S&P. Long on S&P now. S&P drastically more overextended than Dow. Dow, your exit now. Adjusting trail very close. S&P drastically higher than Dow. In very different place. So please remember where institutional levels are, traders. S&P drastically higher again and again than Dow. On Dow, stunning flawless trade. On S&P, extremely aggressive. So how many scanner alerts did we receive this morning, traders? How many? Massive number. Are we witnessing market synchronicity? Absolutely. Are we witnessing institutions buying this market? Absolutely. Have we discussed this before the market opened? Absolutely. Black and white. Simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. So trader who trades Dow is down for the day. As again, 95% of the time trading day on Dow, a lot less than 30 minutes per day. This is a place to exit your long on Dow. S&P in excruciating pain. So Dow collapsing from a target as expected. Clear on that? S&P is not going anywhere because decision point 1 and crucial institutional levels in front of you. This is a major problem. So again, this is a stunning and perfect reminder of the precision of the method. Everyone clear on this? Flawless exit on Dow. Perfect trade. And what are you learning on S&P versus Dow this morning? Very different move. Very different place. Drastically higher. At critical resistance. This is a reason for so much pain on S&P. This is a reason on flawless multiple trades on Dow. So trades on Dow lasted less than few seconds. S&P scrolling, S&P in pain. What are you witnessing? Software showing critical support respected. This is critical moment on S&P traders. S&P at historical resistance in front of you. Do not ignore that. Crawl is on. A lot of pain. Very typical on S&P. Nothing in common between the trade on Dow versus S&P this morning. And that's the power of precision, and that's the power of sniper's mentality. Dow is telling you multiple shorts in a play. We agree? Where's Dow crashing from? Is anyone surprised? Of course not. From alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. The place to exit your long. While S&P remains in a whole lot of pain, as expected. So once again, all the long alerts remain intact on S&P. So once again, crawl is on. S&P in a lot of pain as expected. Critical support remains respected. And that's a world of difference between trading Dow versus S&P. So again, ladies and gentlemen, what you witnessed this morning is a stunning reminder of power and precision of Alpha Fibonacci Trading System. What you witnessed this morning is a difference between S&P and Dow. Crawl is on S&P. Software showing you critical support respected. What does intelligent trader does who understands that S&P at drastically higher levels adjusts the trail. This is critical moment. This is critical resistance. You saw acting as critical support this morning. We agree? And what did you witness again and again and again? Institutional bias firmly long. Correct? Intelligent trader knows this. Intelligent trader is riding institutional bullish train, not shorting the market. So pretty please on S&P, take a couple of points off. Stop outside of break even. This is crucial moment. This is crucial place. Agree? So right now on this trade on S&P, you're witnessing critical resistance becoming critical support. Intelligent trader adjusting trail very, very close. Market is stunning alpha Fibonacci chess. You will never need anything else ever. Zero speculation. Ultimate precision, ultimate power. So if you choose one quality trade, all you have to do add the lot size. Never, ever, ever number of trades. So when Dow giving you multiple number of other alerts, intelligent trader will not need those. Why? Because if you want to trade close to 100% success rate and you already had one trade, why in the world would you need another one? Never, ever, ever. You're simply adding lot size to your trades. How many alerts? How many trades between two instruments this morning? More than 15. Buying S&P now not an option. Exiting your trade and scaling out is. Despite historical highs, zero shorts that intelligent trader would ever touch this morning. Only longs. Trail on S&P very, very close. very different trades than on Dow this morning. And as software identified it as critical resistance, it's a place to exit your long, S&P pulling back as expected. Clear on that? That's the power of alpha Fibonacci precision. What a stunning open on this beautiful morning. And if I would go back to this chart on S&P, what do you see? Again and again and again. Bullish rally started after horrific event in Iran. How many points did S&P rally? From alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, 100 plus. This is a problem this morning, this resistance. Intelligent trader knows that. And if I would take a look on long-term institutional chart on S&P, this is ultimate trend inception. This is where we are right now, traders. Ultimate vertical stunning bullish run for the last 13 months. Intelligent trader been buying this market, not shorting this market for the last 13 months. And just to remind you what we started this morning with, alpha Fibonacci support. And this is exact same place where intelligent trader exited longs on Dow. Correct? So if Dow collapsing now again, it's a beautiful news. And if Dow will crash through this support to here, it's institutional level. As I warned you, there will be nothing else here to do this morning. Only when market will pull back with vengeance, market will become interesting. S&P remains stuck in pain. We're intelligent trader exiting this long. And that's the power of alpha Fibonacci precision. Zero speculation. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Nothing else is needed ever. No matter what you trade. So if you're ready to join us, simply review the information on the website. If you want to spend less than 30 minutes per day to trade, I look forward working with you. Method traded all over the world on multiple instruments, from stocks to forex to futures to options to day trading, anything you choose. Group course with software without 12 weeks, hundreds of recordings available, all live classes recorded, private mentoring 6 months with group classes included. Hundreds plus videos you can watch 24/7. Trader psychology, absolutely part of the course. As again, S&P and Dow doing what we expected. Selling off. And if you would like to see what other students do, if you would like to listen, pretty please do. Review on the reviews. Because if they can do it, so can you. From forex to stocks to options to day trading futures. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to pick up the phone and call me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As again, Dow doing what we expected. As again, S&P doing what we expected. No speculation here. None. And that's the power of the method and software. You only need one. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit. You decide what you want to trade. And if you want to trade them all, of course you can. From day trading futures to position trading stocks, ETFs, options on any instrument.